Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is The Great Tay and I am back with another video today. If it's your first time here, welcome. If it's not your first time, welcome back. I think I've already said that, but yeah, I'm gonna say it again. Welcome back. So for today's video, as you can see from the title of the video, you guys, I am going to be showing you how I made this crochet wig, okay? This video is sponsored by The Main Concept, and they sent me some crochet braids. It's called the Coily Bohemian. It's 20 inches, and the color of the hair, it is 1B27. okay, so today we're gonna be making a crochet wig. It's very easy to do, it's super quick and fast, and I'm gonna show you guys the best and easiest method. So first and foremost, as you can see, I've already started the process. You are gonna need a mesh dome cap, and I'm not talking about the ones that you would use for your bundle wigs, you know, the wigs where you'd sew the bundles on the cap. This cap, the spacing, the net is a little bit bigger, so it's easier for you to crochet, if that makes sense. So that's what I have right now. It's a brown one. Preferably I would say use a black, but somehow I just could not get a black one, so I had to work with what I was able to get, and that was a brown. But it doesn't really matter, to be honest with you, because it won't show, it won't be showing, so it really doesn't matter. And I got my wig cap in my local beauty supply store. I'm sure you should be able to find it in your local beauty supply store as well. So what I'm doing here, you guys, I am just crocheting the braids to the wig cap, and I mean, it's pretty repetitive. I will be doing that for the entire cap, and then after that I will be styling the hair to my preference. I'll be showing you guys two ways how I would wear this wig, and I mean, there are other ways to wear this wig, like you can play around with it or whatever, but just watch and you'll see at the end how it turns out. I really do like the color of this hair, you guys. They sent me the black as well, and I did do a video on that. So I'll link it in the description bar below, so you guys can definitely go check that video out. And if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you like videos like these, feel free to subscribe. It's absolutely free, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, you guys. Let me know if you like this wig, or if this is something that you would definitely try out. And also, you guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload any new content, you can be notified, okay? So don't forget to hit the notification bell, you guys. So just keep on watching, and as I've said before, let me know in the comment section below if you like this wig, and let me know what other type of hair content you guys would like to see. Let me know in the comment section below, you guys. And also, don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, okay, to keep up with what's going on and, you know, all the things. Just follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle, it's at @thegreattay. It's on the screen, so just, you know, hit up your girl on Instagram, and let's just, you know, we can go from there. So just keep on watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. And one more thing, guys, I forgot to mention, The Main Concept, you can grab their hair. They have different type of hair and stuff like that. They have bundles, they have crochet braids, they have wigs, so you should be able to grab their hair in your local beauty supply store, okay? Just look at the brand and look for Afri Natural. I think that's how it's pronounced, but Main Concept, okay? Just look for The Main Concept on the packaging, and trust me, I absolutely love using their hair. Like, the quality of their hair, for me, I would definitely give it an A+. It's not my first time using their hair, and this definitely won't be my last. So just keep on watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all at the end of the video.